Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5083769, or this update on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Once done, copy the second command, copy the complete command, and then paste it, hit the enter key. Now run the third command, paste it, hit the enter key, and then run the last command. Now once this is done, now restart your PC. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to pause update option, hit pause over here. Once it is paused, click on resume updates. Let the update complete and then check. If not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services, find Windows Update in the list, scroll down at the bottom somewhere you will find Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click and then click on restart. Now find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Once this is done, you can go back to Windows Update. If you see retry option, hit retry and let the update complete. Still not working, the next step is to run these commands. These commands are also provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Let the scan complete. The scan will take some time. Once this is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5083769, or this update. Write down the name of the update and then click on search. On this page, first of all, check your Windows version. Type in WINVER in Windows search box. Click on WinVer run command. In my case, it's version 25H2. Check your Windows version. Then go to Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option. And over here you can see 64-bit operating system in my case. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one. For me, this is the right one. Now click on download and then click on KB5083769 and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, install this update manually, restart your PC and then check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to Advanced option, scroll down, go to Recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your PC and then update. Still not working, the last step is to use, and now the next step is to close all third-party applications running on your computer. Uninstall if you have any third-party anti-cheat program like Faceit, Anti-Cheat, Riot, Vanguard. Uninstall it, restart your PC and then update. Now if you have any like third-party antivirus program, you can disable your antivirus program while you are updating your Windows 11. Once you are done updating, enable your antivirus program once again. Still not working, the last step is to use media creation tool. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Click on here, you can see media creation tool, click on download now, and then you can run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save and let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here. let it close automatically. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.